All right, guys. So I can literally say that trading news is the most easiest thing to do in terms of trading, man. Trading news is the most easiest thing. I don't know why people are afraid of trading news. It's just the thing of having a bad strategy of trading news. Trading news is one of the easiest thing to do. So I'm gonna show you how I traded this news today, the PMI, and uh, it was a very, very easy news to, I can say, a very easy entry today I got in news, and he's the actually still running right now. Look at that. We hit over 150 pips. My God. I've already corrected my bag at 100 pips and the entry is still running. It was one of the easiest things. So I want to show you how to trade news in the most easiest possible way. First of all, you need to understand the news itself and how to trade it. So in case of the PMI, uh, it's simply the the news is always comes out monthly, okay? And it's all about the supply of the manufacturing industries and the services provided by the industries. So uh, in today's news, it was all about the S&P. Now S&P is all about the top 500 companies in America. So S&P is all about the stock about the 500 companies in Americas, the top big 500 companies in America. And we can see we had we inside here you can have Apple, Tesla, and all those companies. So the news always comes out once per week. I mean, once per month. Now, I have this news guide, and this news guide is all, I mean, I gave it for free. So if you haven't get this news guide, just hit me. The link is on this description, and you will get this news guide for free. So in this news guide, I talked about how to trade this PMI news. Okay. So it always comes out in terms of percentage. Now, whenever this news comes above 50, we must sell the gold. And I'm not going to talk about how this news affect the price of gold today. I'm just going to show you how I traded this news today. And if you want to know more about this news, you better sorry, you better you better ask for this news guide. Now, if the news comes out below 50, definitely we are going to buy. All right, definitely we are going to buy. So how did the news come out? Look at this. The news come out at 4:45 p.m. and all the PMI flash in terms of manufacturing, in terms of service, in terms of composites, they came out above 50. What does that say? Above 50. And what does the news guide says? When it comes above 50, we sell. So what are we going to look at here? We're just going to look for a structure that support the news. So the news says we are going to sell. So in this chart, we're just going to find the structure that supports us to sell. So the news came out at 4:45 and 4:45 was here. So you can see the first candle of the news went bullish instead of bearish. And we are just waiting. We're not trading right here. We're just waiting for the structure to be created. And look at here. The structure was created. That was a break of structure, and not just this break of structure, also this break of structure. So making this a major break. And inside here we had what? Inside formation. And inside formation, we take that entry from there. Very easy. Targeting the 15 minutes range, but I always take profit from when it reach 100 pips. I don't care if it goes even 200 or something, but when I get 100 pips, I secure my bag quickly. So it was in terms of formation. Some people can take it in terms of order block. All right. It also was good. If you go to the 5 minutes, if you go to the 5 minutes, somebody could have taken these entries using simple price action, where we have a strong level created, and after the break of that level, you could have taken that entry, and still you could get something big. Look at that, over 80 something pips. Very, very spacious. Look at that. Look at that. Very easy to trade news, guys. I posted the videos, the actual video of how to trade news. And if you haven't get uh, the the English version, you go to my WhatsApp channel and you get that clearly. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy to trade news. So see you on the next video.